Heartbreak to Elevate. Let's go, guys. Video 1 of this new series, Heartbreak to Elevate. This was our motto for our live streaming in 2025. We were literally talking about getting merch and everything. Heartbreak to Elevate. It hits so good for me. And I hope it hits so good for you too. Heartbreak to Elevate. Like, we need to have like a t-shirt or something one day. Guys, this is like the foundation of like straight success and just straight growth. It's not even like we want that to happen. It just was and it just is. And it's straight motivating. I'm so excited to get into this. Heartbreak to Elevate. The purpose of this series is to turn pain into power, to help women and men rise from heartbreak, rebuild confidence, heal deeply, and prepare for healthier love without bitterness, avoidance, or self-destruction. Heartbreak to Elevate. This pain is the beginning of your upgrade. I know it hurts right now. Heartbreak cracks you open. Pain forces growth. This is not the end. It's the upgrade. You don't waste pain. You use it. Transformation begins in discomfort. Elevation moment. Decide to rise. Here are some affirmations for you to use. This pain is shaping me. I am upgrading. I will rise from this. This is the beginning. This is video 1, Heartbreak to Elevate, every single week. I got you guys. We are in this together. We are growing stronger, smarter, sexier, more powerful each and every day. I believe in you. I am here for you. Everything is totally fine. And if anything, it's just getting better and better. I love you so much. I will see you next week.